showed you guys everything. I showed you guys my upsell. We scaled this one store, one product to $34,000. Hey guys, what's up? This is episode 9. Things are getting very juicy. You're starting to see the ads. You're starting to see sales coming, which is insane. Like, sales are coming in. Now, a lot of gurus on YouTube, when they do these sort of case studies and challenges, they fail to get that first sale. And some actually are able to get that first sale for the sake of the live case study. But you know what? I'm going to scale this to $30,000 and I'll be the first live case study that shows you everything. But before we get into the video, let's announce last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting calls with me. The winners here, all you have to do to qualify is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like the video, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. In this video, what I'll be actually showing you is how to go ahead and create upsells. The product is starting to get results, starting to get more sales, and what I want to do, I want to further increase the AOV of each order, and that's what I'm going into creating upsells. So I'll be taking you guys through the whole process of my secret upsell formula. So the first thing first is you need to create variations. So you need to create more products, because you can only upsell with a different product, so you can't just upsell the same product that you have. So I'm making 360 Glide V2, V3, but I'm increasing the price, and what I'm doing is I'm basically increasing it so I could take more off, so I can make the upsell look more of a good deal. It's going to be a cheaper product, but the discount is going to be larger. In the end, I actually change and I don't go with this model, but this is one of the strategies I used to do. So right now it's 50% off. So you had to go from $60 down to $30 to be 50% off. So if I want to sell it for $25 as an upsell, I have to increase even further, because if I just do a discount on the current existing product, it'll be like 5 to 10% off, which doesn't sound like a good deal. I want to be able to do a 60% off product that takes it from 60 down to 25. Now, if you want to even take it a step further, you could increase the original price to like $70 or $80. So you could say that it's 75% off and it got dropped down to $25. So that's how you make the sale higher in perceived sort of value. So what I'm doing is I'm basically editing the one-click upsell. I highly recommend Zipify one-click upsell, because it's a post-purchase upsell program where basically someone has already purchased the item, and now this upsell will pop up, and they don't have to, all they have to click is add to order, and it rebuilds them again, so they don't have to add in the payment method again. And that's the crazy part. Like, this app allows people to literally add another order with super ease with a click of a button. Like, this is like Amazon one-click purchase basically. As you can see, I'm optimizing the Zipify one-click upsell landing page. I'm changing the colors. I definitely want to stick it to the white and black theme. So I'm changing the default sort of green and blue setting they have. So I'm just checking the hover cover. I'm changing the button to black. At the same time, I'm setting up one-click upsell. I think I have to connect it to my MailChimp, and I need to find my API key from my MailChimp to link it to Zipify one-click upsell. Then I go to MailChimp, and now I'm going to go ahead and create an email marketing account under 360 Glide. As you can see, this is sort of when I need it, so that's when I go ahead and create it. I'm not preparing with all these email marketing softwares beforehand. I then log into the Gmail for 360glide at gmail.com, and then I activate my MailChimp. But while I logged in, I was able to see some orders that needed customers that needed help. So now I'm going to go ahead and answer these questions live with you guys. So for example, we got an email from Mohammed Arif. He said, please change my address. I no longer live at this address. Please change it to this new address. So now I'm going to Shopify. As you can see, we already have 12 freaking orders. Like, it's literally the 5th of September. So it's now 2 days since the last episode, and we already have 12 freaking orders, which is insane. I wish I documented every single sale, but you know, there's just too much. I can't be recording all the time. So what I did was I just went into his order and I just changed his address. It's as simple as that. When someone needs to change the address, you just go to the order, edit the address. So when you fulfill it with Oberlo, it automatically puts in the new address. And now I'm going to go ahead and reply to him. Thank you so much for the email. We went ahead and updated the 360 Glide team. And that's how you go ahead and answer your first customer service issue. I walked you through that whole process. Very simple. Now I'm going to go ahead and activate MailChimp. And one-click upsell just needs an email marketing service that you could link it to because it sends emails. I'm gonna stick with the free plan, no need to pay any money now. First name, last name, talk about your business, 360 glide, website, put in your domain, address. This is where I go ahead and put in my PO box. So I'll put in my PO box, continue, yes, 500 or less, continue, not right now, let's go. And now we went ahead and created our first email marketing product. And did you see the sales? $1,000+ already, which is insane. Every single day we've been consistently getting sales and it's just been growing. Like we launched on the 3rd of September. Literally, like we were doing the ads on the 2nd of September that night. And then on the 3rd we launched on the very morning, and every single day we've been getting sales. And in total we already got 331 sales, which is insane. So right now I'm gonna see how to install one-click upsell MailChimp. I clicked open up the link and I'm just following all these instructions that they're guiding me. So I have to go to my API keys under settings, create a key. Now there's the new key, and now I'm going to go ahead and copy the key, go back to one-click upsell, paste it in. That did not work, so I changed it from MailChimp e-commerce to CRM audiences, and then I click connect, and then yeah, the API key worked. So I think I did it correctly, but I just clicked the wrong sort of option. But now I'm in. Now I'm going to go ahead and connect my Stripe payment account. I'm going to connect an existing processor since I already have a Stripe account. And then there's PayPal Express Checker, which it's very complicated. And I think I take you guys through that whole process as well. But then, I just pick Stripe Connect because I already have a Stripe account. No need to create a brand new one. And yeah, after that, I go ahead and just sort of finish the setup of one-click upsell. Pretty easy, you just follow all the instructions. I think I didn't record it just because it had a lot of private business information, so I couldn't show you guys that. But yeah, it was pretty simple and straightforward. So let me sort of talk more about the upsell strategy. What I do is to increase the AOV, I sell the initial product for say $30. Then I'm going to upsell them again the product at $25. And then if they buy the one at $25, then I upsell them again at $20. And at each one, even though the profit margin gets smaller and smaller, it's a free purchase. I'm still getting profit and it's not increasing the ad spend. We already paid $20 to acquire that initial sale. These extra post-purchase upsells are bonuses. So no matter how slim the profit margin gets, even if the profit margin is as low as $5 and I sell it for $15 as an upsell, that's an extra $5 in profit that I got for free. Just like email marketing, where you constantly blast your email list again and again and again. It's free orders. You already paid to obtain them in the first place. Post-purchase is just free extra profit. And then if they don't take the first upsell at say $25, I downsell them the watch at $15, which is an incredible steal. So most people leave buying 2 watches. Who the hell needs 2 watches? But my post-purchase upsell is that powerful that they sort of buy the same product twice. Now, a lot of people also try to upsell sort of related and similar products. I found that if someone comes in buying one product, their affinity, like they've already purchased that product. They've already shown that they like this product and are interested. They went ahead and purchased that product. So like if you show them another, they've already committed to that one product. They're going to be willing to purchase another one. Just like if you close someone. If you close a client, you'd be like, hey, thank you for joining our agency. Would you have someone to refer us to? Now, a lot of people are scared to ask for referral right off the bat straight away because they want to sort of get the client results. That's exactly what you want to do. They just said yes to your services. They're going to be willing to refer you to someone. If they say no, that means they don't believe in your services, and that will just sort of contradict the fact that they joined you. But yeah, that's sort of the whole theory behind post-purchase upsells, my whole formula. You want to make your page very sleek. You want to match it to your current home page's theme, use the same colors on the upsell page, use the same font, and just sort of make it streamlined and don't make it look like it's out of place when it pops up after someone checks out. that's the whole upsell process. I went ahead and showed you how to create new variants of your current product so you could upsell it. I showed you guys the upsell model. I showed you guys how to set up Zipify one-click upsell, optimize the landing page, as well as we go through the setup process. We created our email marketing service, which was under MailChimp. I actually showed you guys the amount of sales. We got already 12 sales. We go over email marketing. We go over customer service, and I showed you guys how I answered my first customer service email/issue. And yeah, that was packed. Like, these episodes are getting so packed, and like I'm just giving everything away. So thank you so much for watching once again. I really appreciate your time and effort. All I ask is for you to share this series, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, drop a comment below. Question of the day: do you currently have an upsell sequence? Drop your answers. Other than that, hope you guys had an amazing day. I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace. Now, while I'm waiting, let's go back to the campaign. As you can see, we have 13 purchases. We spent $333, and we're getting very cheap cost per clicks. One of the retail campaigns, Add to Cart No Purchase, has a purchase at $1.30, which is insane.